let AB be a line segment AB be a line segment of length 4 units AB be a line segment of length 4 units with the point A on the line, with the point A on the line, with the point A on the line, y is equals to 2x, and B on the line, y is equal to x. B on the line, y is equal to x. Then find the locus of the middle point of all such line segments, This is the question. First we will draw the diagram. And in coordinate geometry, if diagram is necessary, you draw the diagram. Otherwise, without diagram also you solve the few problems. And while drawing the diagram also, sometimes with rough diagram we can solve the problems. Fair diagram is not necessary. To solve few questions, fair diagram is necessary. In those situations only you draw the fair diagrams. Unnecessary you don't draw fair diagram. So in this situation, y is equals to x is one line. So this is the line, y is equal to x is given. This is y is equal to x. And another line is y is equal to 2x is given. Therefore slope of this one is 1. The slope of this one is 2. Therefore the second line will be like this. So this is y is equals to 2x. Now if you read the question, line segment, let AB be the line segment of length 4 units with the point A on y is equal to 2x, with the point A on y is equal to 2x and B on y is equal to x. B on y is equal to x. This is the line segment. So this is point B. So and the length of AB is given as what? 4 units. Therefore AB length is given as 4 units. So here what we need to find? The locus of middle point of all such line segment. Locus of middle points. Here geometrical condition is what? Here middle points locus we need to find. M h comma k. Generally locus point is m h comma. We consider locus point as m h comma k. So m h comma k is a middle point. So let AB is the line segment. Therefore the locus of all such middle points of all such line segment. The length 4 units line segments, infinitely many line segments we can draw. 4 units line segments. For different line segment, different middle point will be there. If you add, means if you trace all the middle points, if you join all the middle points, the locus of all middle points is the question. So this is the line segment. So this is line segment with 4 units. So if you take point over here, one more line segment. If you take point B here, you will have one more line segment. For different line segment, different middle point will be there. If you trace the if you join all the middle points, what is the path is the question. So here mh comma k is the middle point. So now what you need to do, we need to introduce the parameter. Here I will take the point B coordinates as some a comma a. Here I introduce the parameter a comma a. So this parameter is only one parameter I introduced. Now this a coordinates, b coordinates a comma a I have taken. Can you find a coordinates in terms of capital A coordinates in terms of small a? Yes, we can find. Here you need not to introduce. You don't take here b comma x is equal to b, corresponding y is equal to what? 2b. Here don't take a is equal to b comma 2b. Don't introduce another parameter here. Yes or no? Because unnecessary algebra will be it's a tedious process. So try to introduce less number of parameters. With this parameter only we can solve the problem. How we will see. Here don't introduce another parameter by taking x equal to b, y is equal to 2b. Don't introduce another parameter. Now we can find a coordinates with the help of midpoint formula. So here, how to find a coordinates? mh comma k is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, mh comma k is equals to x coordinate of a plus x coordinate of b a by 2 comma, this is x coordinate of b, y coordinate of b, y coordinate of a, x coordinate of a, here y coordinate of a plus y coordinate of b a by 2 by 2. So here now from this one you will get xa ya, that is a coordinates. Therefore from this one xa is equals to what? 2h minus a, 2h minus a. Y coordinate of a is equals to what? 2k minus a. So now a coordinates are what? This a coordinates are what? 2h minus a and 2k minus a. So we found coordinates of a also in terms of this parameter a. Now this a lies on which line? Y is equal to 2x line. Substitute. It satisfies. This a lies on. See, now this a lies on a 2h minus a comma 2k minus a lies on y is equals to 2x. Therefore substitute y is equal to 2x. Then it satisfies, that is 2k minus a, this y is equals to 2 times x is what? 2h minus a. That is 2k minus a is equals to this 4h minus 2a. So from here you take out this 2a this side and 2k this side. Then what you get? Minus a plus 2a, that is a is equals to 4h minus 2k. 4h minus 2k. So means we have written the parameter a in terms of what? H comma k. Now we have written the parameter a in terms of h comma k. Now what is the one more condition is what? Here we used the geometrical condition. What is that? Midpoint formula we used, geometrical condition. And one more condition is given. What is the condition? Length of AB is equal to 4 units. Use that one also. One more condition is what? It is given that length AB is equal to what? 4 units is given. So length AB is 4 units. So A is equal to what? A coordinates are this one, 2h minus a. A coordinates are 2h minus a, 2k minus a, and B coordinates are what? A comma a. So distance between these two points is given as 4. Therefore distance formula we use, that is square root of 2h minus a whole square plus 2k minus a whole square is equals to 4. This is the given thing. Now what you get, this implies this is equals to here 2h minus 2a whole square, 2h minus 2a whole square plus 2k minus 2a whole square is equals to 4. Here 4 outside, here 2 outside, therefore 4 outside, that is here also 4 outside, therefore this is 4 times h minus a whole square plus k minus a whole square is equals to 4. If we take out 4 outside, therefore 2 times square root of h minus a whole square plus k minus a whole square is equals to 4. Now these 2 times cancel, then what you get here, square root of h minus a whole square plus k minus a whole square is equals to 2. Here this contains the parameter a. Now to eliminate the parameters, use this condition. Here a in terms of h comma k is there. So substitute, you square on both sides first, that is h minus a whole square plus k minus a whole square is equals to 4. Now to eliminate the parameters, use this condition. We have a in terms of h and k. Therefore parameter is a, that's why we need to eliminate 4h minus 2k whole square plus k minus a is what, 4h minus 2k whole square equal to 4. So now you simplify this one, you expand this one and simplify, then after generalize by giving h to x and k to y, then you will get the locus. I will give the final equation. Algebra part you can solve simply. Square locus is 25x square. After in simplification and giving h to x and k to y, 25x square plus 13y square minus 36xy minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the required locus. If you join all midpoints, you will get this one. Actually it's a geometrically it's an ellipse. Actually what it represents, locus will be ellipse.